Let's go. We many a time heard or many a time we themselves saying, I am a common man. What I can do? मैं एक आम आदमी हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ This all administration, this all the judicial system are for the common man. ये सारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट और सारे जुडिशल डिपार्टमेंट सिर्फ आम आदमी के लिए बने हैं. We came forward to exercise our fundamental right. We come forward to take the benefit, and when the time comes to stand for it, we escape saying, I'm a common man, what I can do. मैं एक आम आदमी हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. No, only you have to do and only you can do it. The Constitution of India has given a fundamental rights, but also the Constitution of India has given every citizen has the fundamental duties to perform. We have to act on injustice. We have to need to caution the legislature in a respectful manner. We have right to ask the question. We can't escape saying if we are a common man, what I can do. No, we have to act. It's our duty to perform toward the nation. It's our duty to exercise our rights. It's our duty to perform our duties. We can't escape in everything. What I can do, I'm a common man. No. You are the root cause for all the destruction what is happening currently. अगर हर कोई बोलते रहेगा भाई जाने दो यार मैं आम आदमी हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. We the common man has the power to bring the change. We elect the representative. We form the government. And if the mechanism is not functioning, and we have to do our duty for the democratic nation. We need to exercise our right. You can't individually, collectively. Majority, people's power. You know the constitution lines first start with, we the people of India. You know the weight of that sentence is not a preamble says, we the people of India. And what are we people saying? I'm the common man, मैं एक आम आदमी हूँ, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. It's all the tactic. I'm sorry to say, ये मुझ पे भी लागू होता है. कई बार मैंने भी सेम चीज कहा है बचने के लिए अपनी ड्यूटी से. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. जब भी कुछ मुझे ही करना होता है मैं बच जाता हूँ ये कहकर मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ भाई मैं आम आदमी हूँ. तो कौन करेगा इससे चीजें. सवाल है कैसे बदलेगा हमारा देश हमारा समाज हमारी परिस्थितियां जब हर कोई एक सोचता रहेगा कि आम आदमी हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. आई एम ए कॉमन मैन व्हाट आई कैन डू. लिसन ओनली वी कैन डू इट. ओनली आम आदमी कैन डू इट. इंडिविजुअली collectively to form an association, stand against the fight for injustice. We need to act on it. We have to bring a change in society. Only we can do it.